Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'll be sharing something that can truly make your life easier, the best electric pressure washer. If you've ever wished for a faster, gentler way to keep your home and surroundings shining clean, this one is for you. So stay with me and let's get started. Product features: enhanced portability and storage. Think of the moments when cleaning feels like a heavy chore. With 20-30 psi of power and 2.5 GPM flow, the Greenworks GPW1602 lightens that load. Its 26-foot hose and simple Velcro straps mean you can move freely and store everything neatly, making cleaning feel less stressful and more manageable. Improved stability. We all know how frustrating tangled hoses and shaky machines can be. That's why the upgraded wheels and swivel joint bring peace of mind. It stays steady wherever you take it, whether rolling over your driveway, deck, or yard, giving you effortless control and less frustration. Versatile nozzle options. Every surface in your home deserves the right care. From blasting away stubborn dirt on concrete to gently rinsing your car, the 4 nozzle options, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, let you choose the perfect touch for every job. It's like having a cleaning partner that adapts to your needs. Safety and multifunctional design. When we care for our homes, safety matters most. The automatic stop protects you when you let go of the handle, and the waterproof IPX5 design means you don't have to worry about unexpected weather. It's built to keep you and your family safe while getting the job done. Effortless assembly. We've all felt the frustration of complicated setups. With this washer, you won't have to. Clear, simple instructions mean you can go from box to sparkling clean in minutes. That means more time enjoying a tidy home and less time stressing over assembly. Pros: strong cleaning power that makes tough jobs easier. Long hose with simple Velcro straps for neat storage. Steady, smooth performance with no hose tangles. Different nozzles for every cleaning situation. Safety-first design with waterproofing and auto-stop. Quick and easy to set up. Cons: the corded design may need an extension for bigger spaces. Some plastic parts may not feel as tough as metal ones. The 26-foot hose can take up a little storage space. Needs a steady water source, no cordless option yet. Final thoughts. The Greenworks GPW1602 isn't just about cleaning. It's about making life simpler and less stressful. It gives you power when you need it, safety when you want it, and convenience that fits right into your daily routine. If you're looking for something reliable that helps keep your home fresh and welcoming, this is a wonderful choice. Your home deserves to shine, and with the right tools, keeping it that way feels so much easier. Check the price link in the description, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo. Let's make life cleaner and brighter together.